अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। चलते हैं आज की नेक्स्ट एपिसोड की तरफ, जिसमें मैं आप लोगों को कुछ टेंसेस के बारे में गाइड करूँगी और आप लोगों को कुछ ऐसे तरीके बताऊँगी जिससे आप टेंसेस को इजीली लर्न कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम पढ़ेंगे टेंसेस के बारे में और मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि टेंसेस कितने बेसिक से मैं स्टार्ट करूंगी। देर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ टेंसेस: प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर। एंड इन थ्री ऑफ these टाइप्स there are sub branches or sub types in which one tense will further divided: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. And then each subdivision will further subdivide into main other sub branches: simple, indefinite, simple, indefinite, negative, negative plus interrogative and interrogative. Now we will move towards first tense, which is present tense, and the first form of present tense, which will be present indefinite. And in present indefinite we will firstly discuss about present indefinite simple. So let's get started. I am going to tell you about present tense. The formula or structure of present tense is subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. Let me define you the main things, which is subject, verb and object. Subject is the thing is the person who is doing work or action. Okay? Verb is the action or the work that subject is doing. Object is the place or thing on which work has done. Okay? Now, while I am discussing about simple present indefinite tense, the formula will be subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. And when we are talking about present indefinite simple, there will be an addition of s and es with the verb, and this s and es will be added with the first form of verb. Okay, now let's take an example. Ali goes to school. Here es added with the first form go. And how can you differentiate that where will be s adding and where es will be adding? So the verbs that has o, x, ss and vowels at the end will be taking es with them, and the one who are ended that are ended with consonants will be added s with them. Okay, now I am going to tell you about the not negative form of present indefinite tense. So the subject for not is the place for not is just with the verb. Either it is verb or helping verb. If you have helping verb in your sentence, then you will be adding not after the helping verb. For example, Ali does not go to school. Here, does is the helping verb. So, from this example, we concluded that there are two helping verbs which we are using in this, which is do and does. So, the use of do and does is do will be using with the plural or more than one person or more than one things. Does will be added with singular names, one person or more than or single thing. Okay, this is present indefinite tense with negative sentences. In the next episode, I'll be continuing this same tense, which is present indefinite, and will be telling you about more subclasses of present indefinite tense. Thank you so very much for listening to me. I hope this video will help you people a lot. Till that, take care and Allah Hafiz.